The power of your subconscious mind. Today, I'm going to summarize one of the most influential personal development books of all time, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, by Dr. Joseph Murphy. More than just a book, it is a blueprint for harnessing the mind's hidden potential to change your life. Whether your goal is financial freedom, emotional healing, or peace of mind, this book offers practical guidance to tap into the vast intelligence within you. I've distilled this powerful work into 6 transformative takeaways. I strongly encourage you to pay special attention to takeaway number 2, where we explore the subconscious blocks that silently repel success and money from your life. By Dad. Takeaway 1. Understand the role of your subconscious. Dr. Murphy explains that the conscious and subconscious minds operate like a captain and his crew. The conscious mind is the captain, giving orders, setting direction, and making decisions based on what it sees and understands. The subconscious mind is the crew, the engineers in the engine room who obey commands without question, regardless of whether the orders are wise or foolish. The subconscious doesn't analyze, judge, or filter information. It simply accepts what the conscious mind repeatedly tells it, whether those beliefs are empowering or destructive. Takeaway 2. You have a right to be rich. This is where most people unconsciously block their own abundance. Dr. Murphy teaches that wanting to be rich is not greedy or immoral, it's natural. Just as circulating blood keeps your body healthy, circulating money keeps your life healthy. But why do so many people push wealth away without realizing it? 3 emotional traps are responsible. 1. Envy. Envy creates energetic resistance. If you resent someone else's success, you subconsciously reject success for yourself. You lose what you condemn. You cannot attract what you criticize. Imagine wealth as a beautiful woman at a bar. Would she stay and talk to someone who insults her? No. She stays with the man who appreciates her presence. Likewise, wealth flows toward those who bless and admire abundance, not those who gossip or judge it. 2. Trying too hard. The subconscious mind doesn't respond well to force. The more pressure you apply, the more resistance you create. Trying to willpower your way to success often backfires, like trying not to think of a green hippo and then thinking of nothing else. Let your imagination and emotion dominate, not your anxiety or willpower. Picture the goal as already complete. Let it feel effortless. 3. Fear and inconsistency. Many people sabotage themselves with fear right after affirming something positive. That's like giving your taxi driver a destination, then changing it every block. The subconscious can't follow a mixed signal. Instead, give your mind one clear destination and trust that it will find the best route, even if it's not what you originally expected. Takeaway 3. Visualize your goal as if it already exists. Visualization is not fantasy. It is the creative blueprint of reality. Every invention, every skyscraper, every business started as an image in someone's mind. Dr. Murphy says the best time to visualize is right before sleep. after meditation or deep relaxation. Why? Because in these states, the conscious mind is quiet and the subconscious becomes more receptive. Your job is not to figure out the how, your job is to see the goal vividly and feel the joy of already having it. Takeaway 4. Receive guidance from your subconscious. When you're confused or stuck, ask your subconscious for guidance. But instead of begging or panicking, enter a relaxed state and focus on the feeling of the solution. Relax your body. Imagine the perfect outcome. Feel the relief or joy as if it's already happened. Let it go and fall asleep. The answer may come immediately or during a random moment when your mind is distracted. Often it shows up as a gut feeling, an intuition, or a sudden idea. Trust it. The subconscious communicates through hunches, not logic. Takeaway 5. Use your subconscious for forgiveness and freedom. One of the most profound messages of the book is this: life always forgives you. Your body forgives you when you cut your finger, by healing it. Your heart forgives you after emotional pain, by keeping you alive. But we often refuse to forgive ourselves. Here's a radical truth: you are not the same person who made that mistake years ago. Biologically, every cell in your body changes every 11 months. Psychologically, you've evolved too. If you wouldn't repeat the same action today, then the person who made that mistake is already gone. Continuing to punish yourself is like blaming a ghost. Let go. You are not your past. Forgiveness doesn't mean condoning. It means releasing the emotional poison so that healing can begin. Takeaway 6. Use the subconscious mind for healing. Your subconscious is your body's silent healer. It runs your organs, digests your food, and regulates your heartbeat without your conscious control. But stress, fear, and anxiety disrupt this natural harmony. Dr. Murphy teaches that healing starts when you guard your thoughts like a bodyguard at the gate. Only allow in ideas of health, strength, and peace. Feed the subconscious with positive mental pictures and feelings of wholeness. Final thoughts on the book. The power of your subconscious mind is more than just positive thinking. It's mental science applied. Dr. Murphy doesn't merely theorize. He gives practical techniques and countless real-life examples of people who use the subconscious to attract love, heal disease, escape poverty, find answers to difficult problems. This book reminds us that we are always programming our subconscious, whether we realize it or not. The question is, are you programming it for success or for struggle? Start today. Plant better seeds. Visualize better futures. Feel the end result. And trust the power within. If you found these insights powerful, consider diving deeper into the book, and remember, your subconscious mind is listening. Always.